Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide about getting rid of the ransomware called Kifr. This ransomware is from the DJVU ransomware family. I also want to tell you in this video, I'm not going to help you decrypt your files. But you may find a special link in the description for the video, which will give you recommendations on how to decrypt your files if they got encrypted by this ransomware. So my video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you how negative this ransomware is and how you can prevent your files from being damaged. So before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. And then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore because of this horrible ransomware. So the ransomware encrypts the data and appends a special Kifr extension to the file names. It then tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration, but definitely paying the ransom isn't a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. So if you pay the ransom, you may just waste the money. Don't pay it. So this is what happens. You try to open this specific file and you get the message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this Kifr extension. Removing this extension manually also does not fix the issue. To remove this ransomware, we recommend you to immediately research your computer with the help of reliable security software. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then once it gets installed, start carefully researching the computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only a quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and truly this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching and investigating the system. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But as I said, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. At the end of the scanning, it will give you the summary of infections. You will be able to know their exact locations. Consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected.